Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this lecture we are going to learn how we can send the messages to someone on WhatsApp with the help of only 2 lines of Python script. So let's go to Google, add this URL. We have to install this library PiWordKit. PiWordKit is basically a very powerful Python library that is used to send the messages on WhatsApp with the help of WhatsApp web. So first of all we have to copy this command and run this at command prompt. Because I have already downloaded this package, so it is saying that requirements are already satisfied, but in your case it will start downloading. So let's just create the Python script. First of all, I'm going to import the library and then PiWordKit.send what message. So this function is going to take exactly 3 parameters. The first one is the mobile number of the receiver to who I want to send the message. So let's write the mobile number with the country code and then write the message we want to send. And now we have to give the time, what time exactly we want to send a message. So let's give and now run our Python script. Okay, so basically the time was very short between the actual time. Let's give this time and now run this program again. So it is saying that in 41 seconds WhatsApp will be open, and after opening your WhatsApp the message will be delivered within those 15 seconds. So we don't have to do anything, we don't have to press any key, we just have to wait and see the magic of Python. The whole work is going to be done with the help of Python script. So you can see that this is the power of Python, guys. So let's wait a few seconds. So we can see that it's going to be open WhatsApp, and the whole work is going to be done with the help of Python. And we can see that the message has already been written in the typing box, and within the 15 seconds the message will be delivered. We just have to wait and see, and we don't need to press any key. So we can see that the message has been delivered with the help of Python. I didn't press any key, so the whole work was done with the help of this script. So by using the 2 lines we can send as much as we want. So we can send multiple messages to multiple numbers. So see you guys with another interesting tutorials very soon. Thank you very much.